Japan Dyno, the best of Japan to you.
Howdy, this is Andy of Japan Dyno, and I have for you a JZX100 Tsura-B Shagai muffler. So an aftermarket muffler or exhaust for the JZX100 Touring V, and the Toyota vehicle in good condition, as you can see in the photos here. Nice, tidy, very attractive item. Told by the previous owner that he purchased this from Blitz, although we can't find a Blitz logo on the exhaust. Appears that it might be a Kakimoto exhaust, as it looks very similar to the Kakimoto exhaust that we've had before, but the previous owner swears to us that he bought it from Blitz. May have been purchased from a Blitz certified mechanical workshop, but appears to be perhaps Kakimoto, might be Blitz, we just don't know. So definitely a Japanese constructed exhaust, very high quality welds and very well constructed exhaust. So not a Chinese exhaust at all, definitely a Japanese exhaust. And we'll go through some closer photos. You can see here the taikos, dual taikos, and deguchi with the very, very clean welds, very distinctive Japanese welds, very robust mounts, and very strong exhaust, indicative of being Japanese construction. You can see there the dual tailpipes, very attractive swan neck tailpipes. So the diameter decreases as it goes towards the taiko. So the deguchi is very, very tidy, as you can see. Some surikizu on the underside of the deguchi where it can't be seen, as the vehicle has ground it out a little bit. You can see there the swan neck of the deguchi, there the tailpipes, very, very good condition, nice and tidy, very attractive exhaust. The exhaust has ground it out fairly hard a couple of times, and so we do have some repairs on the underside of the exhaust, as well as some dents. This being the top side, looks very, very clean, of course, from the top side. The full three-piece set of the exhaust, and very attractive. A few little stains near the welds that just connect the two taikos together, and we'll go to the closest shot there, so you can see a little bit of a mark around, a little bit of corrosion near where the welds are. But the integrity all very good, all very tidy, and again you can see good tidy condition on the top side. Now we'll move to the one more shot of the top side there. Okay, it's very attractive swan neck deguchi there, and this is the underside now. So the underside, where it had grounded out fairly hard, it has been repaired. Where there's been holes, so this taiko, the front taiko there, where it's been holed, has been repaired. There's a fairly amateur weld on the taiko there, and some surikizu, some marks, some scrape marks along the bottom edge of the rear taikos, the rear dual taikos, and also some surikizu, some scratches on the underside of the deguchis there, the tailpipes. We'll go to some closer shots. Okay, so this we have bring the zoom down a little bit. Okay, there we go. So surikizu on the underside of the deguchi, where of course it can't be seen, and on the underside of the taiko there, the JZX100 certification mark on the top there is showing for road, certified for road use in Japan, so road legal here in Japan with the JZX100 certification. But again, you can see the surikizu, a little bit of a dent on the underside, of course not visible from the vehicle when mounted. And you can see the big surikizu on the side there, on the JZX100 mark. So the JZX100 certification, road legal in Japan, and again another shot from the underside showing the repair mark to the taiko. We have an outside shot of the repair to the taiko. So as you can see, a fairly amateur repair there, but works well enough. And finally, a shot of the three pieces from the underside. So the underside not as tidy as the top side, of course, with that amateur repair there, and the surikizu to the underside of the taiko and the dual tailpipes. But in good overall condition. So as you can see from the top side, very, very clean and tidy, very attractive tailpipe. So a beautiful exhaust, made in Japan, from Japan. Thank you.
In order to serve you better, we have our website at www.japandyno.com, as well as our blog, the Japan Dyno Daily Fix, where we feature items of special interest. Look forward to seeing you there.